In today's video, we'll be learning how to do a single crochet. If you're not sure about how to hold your crochet hook or how to hold the yarn, please check out our other video titled How to Hold a Crochet Hook. Okay, let's get started on how to single crochet. Insert your hook into the next stitch, and then now you would yarn over, and you would see 2 loops on the hook. You would yarn over again and pull through those 2 loops, and you got your first single crochet. Now let's do this again. Insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over again, and you would have 2 loops on the hook. You'd yarn over again and pull through those 2 loops. And now you would have 2 single crochets. Do this again. Let's insert our hook into the next stitch, yarn over, and now we'll yarn over one more time and pull through those 2 loops on the hook. And there you have it. This is how you do a single crochet. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching How to Single Crochet.